get settled in.
You good?
Yeah.
Man. I think we might want to like readjust the ladder. Dang, don't do that to me no more, Rick.
Me and ladders and you, huh?
Yeah. Gosh. I got it.
Got it?
Man, yeah, I got it. Gee whiz, man. So Rick was helping, well, I ain't gonna say helping me. Rick was installing a overhead garage rack for me. And the ladder got away from him. And man, this dude has 9 lives. Well, 1 bane life. Uh-oh. And slipped. But landed on his feet just like a cat. Uh-oh. Let me put this down. I'm about to help you.
Holy. Definitely safer over here.
Yeah?
I just didn't want to get in that vine, not being able to see the ground.
Crazy dude. Dude, and that would have been all over Facebook, man. I'd have to delete that one quick. Alright, so I tell y'all, this is Anthony with Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time. Here with the brother Rick, doing some pruning on this tree. So this tree really took away the effect of the property. So this tree has some branches that literally just, you can still see it. You look at the property, we're just leaning right in front of the house. And so what we're doing today is, you can see where one of them's been trimmed, one behind has been trimmed, and Rick kind of tossed them up and put them right here in front of the garage. Got a little tune-up. I'm in the way. Oh.
Sorry.
Yeah. You gonna try to start it from up there? Hey, jam. Alright. Oh, this is one of the worst videos we've done so far. This is like one. This is one for the outtakes. Rick almost falling off the ladder. Again, with a chainsaw in hand, no doubt. That would not have made for good TV at all. Alright, I got a Zoom meeting to do with the trucking business. So we're going to chime out and we'll be back in a bit.